Good morning. You are watching United News. This is Vanshika Agrawal. The headlines. 3 dead in Chennai after the Indian Air Force air show. Judiciary or legislature exercising executive authority not in consonance with democracy, says Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Maldivian President Muzu arrives in India for a crucial state visit, seeking to repair strained ties amid tourism loss. Prime Minister Modi flags off Mumbai's first underground metro line after its 8 years in the making. Agra woman dies of heart attack after cyber criminals call her over daughter's sex scandal. CM Yogi unveils Mahakumbh logo, says no sale of meat and liquor within Prayagraj. Drugs worth rupees 1800 crores recovered from a factory near Bhopal. Prayagraj gears up grand Dashera celebrations, pulling them back to their roots and culture. Now the news in detail. Maldives President Mohammad Muzu, accompanied by First Lady Sajida Mohammed, arrived in India on Sunday. Muzu's visit to India has become crucial as the Maldives have been witnessed a drop in the number of tourists from India. Tourism from India to Maldives took a hit after a few Muzu's government officials slammed PM Modi over his visit to Lakshadweep in January this year. They criticized PM Modi for promoting Lakshadweep as the next tourist destination, labeling it as a competition to the Maldives. Since then, the number of Indian tourists visiting the Maldives dropped by over 50,000 in the past year. Several reports claimed that the Maldivian president is eyeing a bailout package as a reel under debt and crisis. The public debt of the Maldives is about $8 billion, including about $1.4 billion over each to China and India. During this visit, President Muzu will hold meeting with President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior officials. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Sunday unveiled the logo website and a mobile app for Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj and asserted that the mega event is an opportunity to showcase India's Sanatan Sanskriti to the world. The CM, who took stock to the arrangements with ministers and senior government officials, said no sale of meat and liquor should take place within the traditional boundaries of Prayagraj. Stay tuned with United News for more such updates. Thank you.